So you already have a few paintings and you are getting better in it. Are you thinking of going to the next level and finally get paid for it, but you don't know how? I am here to help you with a tip on how to get your first painting commission. Before I got my first commission, I painted already a few pet portraits and I wanted to practice more. My coach that time told me that yeah, sure, you need practice, but now you are at the level when you can already have commissions and get paid for it. He gave me this awesome idea of posting on Facebook this following post. I am taking oil painting lessons and I am working on this painting of my lovely dog. I am auditioning for another dog portrait as my teacher told me that it would be a good practice. Please submit a picture of your dog. I will select one of them and paint it. If you like the result and choose to buy it, now it is for half price, 100 euros. Thank you. So you can of course do this even if you are not painting pets. This is not only special for pet portraits, you can do it with anything. Just tailor the text to your special needs and your niche or subject matter. And of course, if you don't want to post this on your personal account for some reason, you can still do it on Facebook groups that are specialized for your particular subject. Join those groups and submit something similar. For example, if you are painting landscapes, then search for some groups that are about hiking. If you do floral paintings, then again you could go for the gardening group. Or if you like to do portraits, then select something that is about family. And when you post it, I just would like to highlight a few important things. And one is to post some of your work so people have an idea where you are, what is your style, whether they would like something like that. It's nice to give a big discount. I think 50% is good, especially if this is your first commission. It's also nice to give an estimation of the size. Of course, the size will always a little bit depend on the image that you will paint, but just to have an estimation so people know it will not be like a tiny one or a big one, or if you want to do that, then people are aware of that. I think it's important to say that it is not obligatory to buy it and you will select only one image. So people will feel that this is just a unique opportunity for them to get your paintings with a bit better price. When you have a commission, it's anyway very important to have good quality images and select only the good ones. You can already have the people saying that I will only select good quality images and these are the requirements. The lighting of the image should be nice, good shadows and good highlights. It should be a good quality, a high resolution. It should be easy to see the details if you want to zoom in. And when you select the image, I think it's good to say that everybody had submitted nice ones and you loved all of them, but you had to select the best quality image or something like this so that you mentioned that you took a good look at everything. And people will not take it personally if you did not select their image. I also wanted to tell you that for me, when I gave this commission work to the person, they were so happy. It meant so much more to me than the money. Of course, it was awesome to say, I got my first commission and that was awesome. But seeing their face, seeing how they appreciate it and how happy they are, that really meant a lot to me. I also wanted to mention that possibly this is not only one commission, but many more. When I posted the result of the painting, many people texted me separately that, hey, I saw the result, I liked it very much and I would like you to make another one. I am willing to pay the full price. If you are willing to do that, then you can actually have many more of these type of commissions. But if you are a beginner and you are not yet there to sell your work, and you are even not sure what to paint or how to get more creative, then please check out these other two videos of mine and I hope that will be also helpful and see you in the next one. So the lightning,